Good day, my name is Seth Smock and I am the sales trainer here at ENS Security, and I'm going to show you guys the newest solar powered IP camera from our ENS H series. I am so excited to be bringing you guys this camera because this has been a product that has been requested so many times, either specifically for a solar IP camera or something that is completely wireless. Well, we now finally have that solution for you. This camera is a 4 megapixel bolt style with a 40-watt solar panel, which will be located on top of the camera. And it has a built-in battery, as well as it being true WDR with 2 different night color options, including white LED and Starlight Plus. This does support human and vehicle classification, as well as two-way communication because it has a built-in mic and speaker. It can support 4G communication, and the absolute best part about this camera is that there are no cables required, since this is a standalone unit. With this camera, you do have 3 unique recording modes. Our first recording mode is performance mode, which is a 24/7 recording and live view. Where the battery is fully charged, it can go up to 2.5 days without sunlight. Proactive mode is the second option, which is full-time recording and event alerting, where you will still get the full recording but only alerted when events actually occur. So this mode can last up to 4.5 days without sunlight. And lastly, number 3 is standby mode, in which the event will be captured by PIR and manual operations. Estimates around 24 days of recording. We recommend to use a T-Mobile SIM card because it should be automatically connected after about 2 to 3 minutes, so you're able to send data. With other carriers, you might need to do some additional configuration on the camera side, and also some Verizon cards have complicated registration processes, so we don't recommend you go with Verizon. In regards to the installation process, it is actually rather easy. However, we do recommend contacting us beforehand because there are a few unique steps that are specific to this camera. This camera can be applied to a wide variety of locations. Starting with residential, we've had customers that requested a solution for a remote or rural home. However, power and data weren't the easiest to run. Now you can use one or more of these cameras to cover that area. On a commercial building, if you need a rather remote camera high up on the building where power would need to be ran into the inside of the wall or data as well, now you can use a standalone unit so you don't have to worry about those long camera runs. Or on a construction site where potentially during the nights there is a ton of equipment and tools around the location, or even during active work hours where you want to avoid potential liability reasons in case of a work-related injury. You can easily set up this camera for temporary use on that job site. Another common application can be for farms or agriculture, where overlooking large fields to protect against intruders or even live monitor barns and cattle, you no longer have to trench hundreds of feet of cable, saving you on the installation. Also, it could be used for industrial pipelines or roads to protect against vandalism, theft, or even destruction of property. This camera can pretty much be applied anywhere since it's a standalone unit and can be considered pretty mobile as well. To get some more information, make sure to go ahead and give your ENS sales rep a call to learn more, and we'll get this shipped out today for you.